want to go ahead and take a moment. We've got a gentleman who wants to share some great words with you, so I want to make sure that we show some excitement and some great school spirit this morning. He is the president of the foundation and also the chief communications officer for the district. If you would, please put your hands together for Mr. Scott Howie.
Good morning, all right. We ready to show some school spirit today? All right, well, thank you all for joining us today for our inaugural School Spirit Run. Just remember, there will never be another inaugural, so you guys are the first ones to participate. Our School Spirit Run, powered by Delta Dental. Yeah. There's definitely evidence of school spirit here. I see it everywhere. Make sure you show it off. There is a prize for school spirit, so remember those prizes. We want to especially thank today our title sponsor, Delta Dental, for stepping up and powering this event with their outstanding generosity. Let's give them a round of applause. Our long-standing partner, SeaWorld, is our host sponsor today. And as always, they've gone above and beyond to make this an incredible event. Let's give SeaWorld a round of applause. And don't forget, we finish on Sesame Street. That's always been a lifelong goal of mine.
He was down there.
And our new friends here today, Strider Events. We want to thank Strider Events for helping us make this an incredible event. They've made a monumental task extremely easy for us. Let's give them a round of applause. And as you run, jog, walk, or stroll through SeaWorld today, please pay attention to the PA announcements. This event could not happen without our other sponsors. We want to thank our amazing sponsors and all of those listed on the backs of your shirts. Let's give them a round of applause. And now it is my pleasure to introduce AJ Morales from University High School, who will sing the national anthem. See you all at the finish line. Thank you.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
AJ, we appreciate it. There is so much talent in Orange County, y'all. We're doing this thing, man. It's so fun. It's so fantastic. Well, we are at 2 minutes before we get this race started. So I need everybody out there to put your hands all the way up in the air. Hands all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. Have some fun out there, y'all. Make sure you enjoy yourself. Let's go.
I'm gonna hit there. Yeah.
My girl is rocking.